Morning folks, down at Noosa Farmers Market. Today we're going to have a chat with Noosa Cane Juice. Boom.
So we started. So we started.
Guys, how are we?
Very well.
Very well, thank you.
We're Noosa Cane Juice. I'm Pete, this is Claire.
I'm Claire.
Yeah, we juice cane.
Okay.
It's delicious.
We started like in November 2008, so we're coming on to our 10th year this year, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, we started here in Noosa, and then a year later we started Yandina as well, and then the last 3 years we've been in Eumandi as well, so do 4 markets a week. Keeps us pretty busy.
At the very beginning, what was the thought of, right, I'm going to juice some cane?
We've seen it around the world in a few different places. It's all through the Middle East and all of South America and most of Asia. It's really popular in all the ancient countries. Brazil and India
are the most kind of biggest consumers.
So we've seen it in a few places and came back to Australia after travelling for a couple of years around the world, and yeah, this is what we came up with.
Sugar cane is all locally grown. Pete cuts it by hand, and then we clean it all by hand. The limes, the ginger, all local.
That's fantastic. If you think of success, who comes to mind?
So I don't really measure success by money or anything. I think it's more so happiness, that's for sure.
Yeah, days off, good food, sunshine, the ocean, good friends.
If you had a billboard, you could put anything on the billboard, what would it be?
Drink cane juice.
Perfect.
Love it. Is there a purchase that you've purchased over the last 6 months of $100 or less that has completely impacted your life in a positive way?
I mean, every week we buy sugarcane and it changes our life every week. Actually, there's no $100 I can think of that has spent that's really impacted my life recently. No.
If you could be anywhere in the world right now, other than Noosa, where would you be?
Sri Lanka.
Yeah, well, we're looking to go to Sri Lanka shortly, so let's just go with that.
Is there a failure that you've come across which at the time seemed quite drastic and it affected you, but you realise now that that had to happen to take you in a positive direction?
That happens to us on a weekly basis. This is a different business. There's not many people doing this, which has its own challenges with everything down to the machinery to the supply of sugar cane itself, which is ever changing.
And the weight of the cane as well, like logistically wise, people mix like massive bundles of sugar cane. It's really quite big to handle and can be quite awkward.
So yeah, we're always evolving. Well, if you come to Noosa, you've just got to come to the markets. It's the highlight. It's the best thing to do here. The fresh produce is amazing. It's like a big family here. And coming here every week and being able to serve all our beautiful customers is really nice. It's great. And see all the storeholders such as yourself.
Very lucky.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Peter, Claire, thank you so much. I appreciate your time, and this should be up next week.
Cheers, Pete.
Thank Noosa Cane Juice. So folks, jump out of Facebook, get yourself over to YouTube. Hashtag Cook with Pete, like, dislike, thumbs up, thumbs down, do whatever you fancy. Love you folks, get yourself down to Noosa Farmers Market, get yourself some fresh vegetables, put some goodness in your body, feel amazing.